Hello guys, welcome to a new episode of Digital Tech. This is your host Okay, and today I'll tell you about a very cool app. Okay guys, so this app will make magic videos for you. So let's begin. So before starting the video, I have a request for you that if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, so please subscribe it because we keep uploading videos like this which are very interesting and helpful for you. Okay guys, so from the link in description you need to download the following app. Okay guys, I have already installed it, so I'll open and I'll show you that how it works. So before starting, I have a video for you, so I will show you that video first. So guys, you can see that something is in my hand, so I'll play this video. What is, so you can see this, I have thrown something. Okay guys, this was the video. So let me show how to use that app. So I'll open it, and now I'll show you that how this video I showed you will be changed and it will be like a magic. So I'll click on this start reverse, and we have two options here: record movie, choose movie. Record movie is for recording your video instantly, or if you have recorded earlier then you can choose the choose movie. So I'll choose movie because I have recorded earlier, and you need to select from here. So I have selected. Okay guys, so here is add. So you can see, so what you will do, you'll click on start, and here you have to choose that what you want the output. You want to reverse, or reverse plus original, or original plus reverse, or if you want any filter you can apply. Okay, and quality you can keep. So for HD quality you need to buy a premium one. So to get the paid version, I have made a video for that, and the link is in description for the video that how you can download the paid apps. So, and if you want the music you can add music from here, so I don't want to do. Okay guys, so I'll click on start reversing. So here is an example also for you that how this video. These are the examples of videos. Okay guys, so you can see, so isn't it so you saw that video, how was it? I'll play again for you. So you saw it is like a magic, but it's not a magic, we just made it like a magic. So hope you like this video. If you love the video, so please give a like, and yeah, subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it. So thank you guys.